Stay tuned to see how I create my large galaxy resin tray. So with this tray, I decided to lay out a thin layer of the clear resin, and that is actually where I'll be putting my stickers. But first, I'm separating out different smaller portions of my mixed resin and adding in a purple metallic mica powder and a silver metallic mica powder, and I'm adding that to the sides of the mold. And as you can see, I'm alternating between the silver and the purple to create a marbled effect. And I've added my stickers. You want to watch out because they do move around, so you will have to keep adjusting them. For the bottom layer of the tray, I am mixing up another small batch of resin, and I'm adding this really gorgeous black mica powder to it. Look at this color, you guys. It is so just, it's otherworldly. Kind of reminds me of a galaxy type of black. I just love the sparkles and the shine that is inside this mica powder resin mixture. It's glorious. But this is the black resin mixture that I'm going to add to the back of the tray, and this will give it its final layer. Again, just another shot of the resin mixture. Such a great color. And then we want to go ahead and just pour that all over the back of the tray. There's probably about maybe a centimeter of space left in the mold, and I just want to make sure that I cover the entire tray with the resin that has the black mica powder mixed in. And I just kind of use my stir stick to spread it along and make sure every area is covered. And here is the finished DIY resin tray. This one came out above and beyond my expectations. Look at how beautiful the purple, the silver, and the black all mesh together, and it creates a galaxy-esque type of color. Oh, this tray came out so good, you guys. Thank you for joining me for another video this week. Make sure you like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell for notifications so that you can catch me every Tuesday. This was such a fun tray to make. I love how it came out. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.